Where is she? All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
Take a movie of it, not a snap. All right, come on. Is a cross between an Amherst and a Gold. You got that?
Yeah, I do. Let me take a zoom on out.
Beautiful, Eddie. Let me get to turn around. Hang on. Oh,
Oh, there she runs.
wait a minute. Get a good shot of her now, right?
Yeah. She's so beautiful.
That's my mixture. Half Amherst, half Gold. Come on, there's one down here. Now we're gonna go see George Connors. He's doing some special breeding, me and George, on the white Sumatra.
So how much space you got for the out here for the birds?
Is this enough?
My God, you got plenty out here. That's a big place. You're a very bird-loving person. I can see that.
The construction yard, is it still running?
Yeah.
It's on. This is the construction yard I wrote that article on in the UPA, and I've been telling a lot of the guys about this place for many years. I was raised here. I was born here on this ground. This is what Now I live down a block, and I come down here and feed the birds, take care of them. Come on, let's go see the Sumatras. We'll turn it out, you think?
I want
Here's more of the construction yard. Stuff we got here. My feet are getting cold. I hope I don't get frostbite. I want to show George these Sumatras. Otherwise, I'm going to get help. Go there back here. Again. Here they are. What did I tell you? Here's the Sumatras. Alright? George Connors gave me a hen. And I got a rooster from another friend of mine. George gave me a hen and carried a white G. Now, I think this Sylvie here thinks it's a Sumatra. How do you like these Sumatras? Beautiful, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Now these are from the island of Sumatra. That's where they're from. And there's a white hen that I got, George. I had a rooster, I lost it, but hopefully this year we'll get lucky. That's a silver pheasant right there. And I think he thinks he's a Sumatra. He got kind of mixed up in the sauce. We got some good. How to get the white peacock in there? That's a white female hen. You got a picture of the truck over there? The concrete. This is an old army truck. It was my own.
Army truck?
survived that in the army in World War II. Yeah, he's dead now. About 85. Yeah. Something. There's a couple more white peacocks in the snow. Look.
Where are they going?
That's the father and the mother and the baby. Alright, you ready to rock? Man, I showed you some interesting stuff, no?
It's almost done to now. Let's see. You should give this place a name, John.
Yeah, it's called Johnny Patenti and Sons.
Alright.
It's a construction supply yard on Long Island. They supply all these different castings and boxes to the Long Island Lighting Company, contractors, and we've been in business about 92 years now, this company. My grandfather started, my father, now my brother Tommy's running it. My cousin. Come in here with that. My feet are gonna fall off my toes, I'll tell you. I got there's a roll over there. See the male. Here's a female one over here. Okay. Good thing I came in. Let me give him a little food. Interesting, right? I got some homers in this part here. They're running in there though. I don't think we caught that. Let me just close this.
Alright.
I think the bird show is coming to an end. I hope this works out for the Peacock Association. I want to play this for them. I think they'll like it. Yeah. All my friends at the Peacock Association, over and out. Danny Patenti at the Artline Zoo. I hope you enjoyed the show, and maybe we'll do part 2 next time. Over and out.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.